In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Simplex. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, and then from here you want to click on the buy crypto button here at the top. And when you do this, it's going to take you to a page where you can essentially type in how much crypto you'd like to buy and which one. So by default, it's going to look like this. We're purchasing a BTC and we're paying euros. Of course, you can go ahead and change both these things. So in this case, for example, let's say I want to buy some Ethereum. I'm going to click in here and I'm going to type in ETH and I'm going to find Ethereum and then click on it. And I want to pay in, for example, USD. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to type in USD and there we go. It's going to find US dollar. Of course, you can select whichever one you want and then click on it. Then from here, you could either type in how much of the specific cryptocurrency you would like to purchase or type in how much in dollar amount or of course your currency you'd like to spend. So I'm going to do $100 right now and it's automatically going to calculate how much that's going to be. But if I go and, for example, change it up here, for example, I want 0.5 Ethereum, it's going to go and change the automatically like this. Okay, so we have, of course, side-by-side conversion over here. That's how much it's going to cost you, and this is what you'll get. Now, down here, you want to type in your Ethereum address, or of course, you could also go and connect your wallet. If you have any extensions installed, you could go and click on over here, and you can, of course, just go and connect it, or you can just type in your address for the specific crypto. So for me, I'm actually using MetaMask. You could be using anything else, but it's going to be a very similar process. You simply have to find the token you're purchasing. So in my case, it's Ethereum, and I'm going to look for Ethereum down here, network Ethereum, and I'm going to click on Ethereum, and you're going to have to get your receiving address. So I'm going to click on receive over here, and then I'm going to click on copy next to Ethereum, and the address has been copied, and now I have to paste it in here, and that's going to be my Ethereum address, okay? Now, that's the next thing you have to do, and of course, from here, you can just go and click on continue over here, and make sure you double or even triple check that this is actually your correct address, and then press the continue button. Now, whenever you've done this, it's going to take you to a sample page, to a separate page here, of course, which is going to be the buy crypto page. You'll see how much you're paying and how much you are getting, and from here you can type in your card number, your expiration date, CVV, and name on your card, and then of course you can go ahead and save it for future use if you want to. And before you do this, you want to make sure you actually read the terms and conditions and privacy notice as well, okay? Because of course you have to do this before you confirm it. Once you've done this, you have to click on the next button, you have to confirm your purchase, and that's how easy it is to buy crypto on Simplex. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.